Hello guys, today's video review of the top 5 best treadmills for home. If you are looking for the best treadmills for home, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from the best treadmills for home, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and purchased. After testing, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. This XTERRA treadmill is a bestseller on Amazon with over 18,000 5-star reviews and an Amazon Choice badge. It has 12 preset speed programs to choose from, and a great LCD monitor to keep tabs on your distance, pulse, speed, and calories burned. It folds up easily and has wheels at the base, making it a good portable option that's under 100 pounds. This treadmill has totally surprised me. 2 years later, it still functions perfectly. The motor still sounds as new as the day I assembled it. The tread still moves smoothly, and all the buttons and programs still work flawlessly. It's definitely a fabulous bang for your buck. Number 2. Urevo Under Desk Treadmill with Remote. Walkers will seriously appreciate this sleek and minimalist treadmill from Urevo, though it can go up to a jogging speed of 7.6 miles per hour. 2. Fold down the handlebars, and it easily slips under a desk so you can get some steps in while chatting with your teammates on work calls. Just monitor your speed with the handy remote feature. The foldable design makes it great for small spaces, too. So I got this treadmill for my workspace. I work as the front office coordinator at a hospital and I'm standing for like 10 to 12 hours. I looked on YouTube to find out how I can get more steps into my day, and found this treadmill. I've had it for 2 weeks now and I love it. I'm able to get 15,000 to 20,000 steps in while I'm at work. It comes right out of the box with no assembly required, which is awesome. I have a standing desk so I don't use the handlebars, and the remote is so useful. My coworkers saw it and thought it was so cool that at least 5 others went and bought one. I love this to make me be active in my little office. Number 3. Echelon Stride. This Echelon treadmill prides itself on its safety features, making it a great option for beginners. The metal safety bar underneath the running deck protects objects or your feet if you trip from getting trapped, and the machine as a whole matches international safety standards. Yeah, apparently that's a thing. It has all the standard features you may want in a treadmill without tons of fancy add-ons like guided workouts or an HD touchscreen. It goes up to 12 miles per hour, offers an incline, and is even foldable. This treadmill has every feature I was looking for and it's ready to go right out of the box. The best part is that it folds up flat against a wall, unlike other treadmills. Echelon was really the only reputable brand I could find for apartments or townhouses where space is limited. The track feels very durable and well engineered. Number 4. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. If you're constantly hot during your runs, this treadmill has a built-in fan to keep you cool during your sweatiest workouts. It's also designed with a soft cushioned belt to allow for a smooth run and even comes with incline capability, large cup holders, Wi-Fi, and USB ports to charge your phone or tablet while you work out, because few things harsh a workout flow like a dead phone. Given all its literally cool features, it's a great price for the value. The speakers are loud and good quality for use with an iPad, tablet, or phone. It also charges. It's very easy to understand how to use the settings. The fan is a nice addition. The storage cup holders are sturdy and large. The 10% incline works very well. It's a very quiet treadmill, and I enjoy walking and running on it. It feels solid and sturdy, and I feel it was a great value for the price. It also feels like it has shock absorbers or something because it's easy on the legs. The only con I can think of is that it doesn't have Bluetooth, but it's easy to connect a device to the speakers with the included adapter, and you can charge a device too. The speakers really blew me away. I'm very picky about speakers, and these are very loud, clear, and booming. No complaints. There are more expensive treadmills that have a slightly faster speed, a slightly higher incline, and a few more programs. This one has 16, but I don't think this matters. It's powerful enough for even my 6'2" son to run on, and we all love it. Number 5. Life Fitness T3 Treadmill. The Life Fitness T3 treadmill is designed to look super sleek. The slim design doesn't skimp on incline, shock absorption, and heart rate monitoring features, though. It even remembers your preferred workout, whether it be a walk, run, jog, or combo. Just hit quick start to order your usual. The incline feature goes higher than any of the other treadmills on this list, climbing up to 30%. I absolutely love this treadmill. I have had it for a little over a year, and it still seems brand new. I am a distance runner and use my treadmill daily and have never had any issues with this model. I have also found myself getting fewer injuries since my purchase and use of this treadmill. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.